Boy, paper pulled up on me to help take the motor out. We ready to pull it. They finna go to the store real quick. Got my man Run over here on the paint job. He getting the body right. What up with the J-Ham fans? You already know who it is. It's the boy J-Ham, obviously. But today we over here putting some work in on the car. That's today's project. Before my little brother and my girl get off from work, my little brother get out of school. Been over here since like 8 this morning. So right now, I'm gonna tell y'all what we doing. Today we snatched the motor out. I've been trying to do this like the last 2 days, like on and off. Like what I got done so far by myself was, and by the way, we taking this motor out to 79 Pontiac Catalina. I know it's supposed to come out a long time ago, but had some stuff going on. I didn't know what I was doing. So it's like, I had to wait. I had to wait until I had the people with the knowledge, you know, people who been here a little longer than me, you know. So what I did on my end, I took out the exhaust. I dropped the exhaust. I took the motor mounts out. But then what else? I took out the radiator. I took the radiator out, and I said the radiator. Took that out, and that's about it. That's all I did by myself. But then one of my car club brothers came over today, and he helped me finish it. So we took the I took the draw line out, took the cross member out, took the starter out from the bottom, did all the little stuff right there. And they just ran to the store just now to go grab something to drink and something to eat. And they had to get the chains to take the motor out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this motor. So I'm gonna swap it around. All right. Here go the 301 right here. 301 V8. She's done her job. I ain't never seen this car without the hood on it, man. I'm getting hyped all over again. I'm getting hyped, y'all. Like the first video, getting hyped. I got a new radiator at home. You got an old one right here, so I'll rust it out. The starter. But yeah, here you go right here, y'all. I'm gonna put some AC back in here too. It's a must. Y'all still have to use some of the WD-40. Well, we have to use some of the WD-40. But yeah, this it right here. Get it all painted up on here because it looked like it was a fire up under here. It's all ashy looking, like a fire with a motor put up under here. But yeah, get all this stuff. Take this out. I was gonna trash this motor, y'all. I was gonna trash it. I was gonna take it and go get like a good 30, 40 bucks for it. But then the guy who's doing my car, who's painting the car up and stuff, he actually wants the motor. He told me he was gonna take it, put a stroker kit on it or something like that. So I was like, okay, cool. You doing something I wouldn't do, but okay, cool. I just want to see the finished product because I've never seen nobody build a 301. I always was told that they were not good motors to build, but he finna prove me wrong. So yeah, this is it. Finally about to take her out. She done her job. This motor got like over 200,000 miles on it. And it was still kicking. The only reason why I wasn't kicking that more because the spark plugs had fouled out. Carburetor was bad. What else was done? Boy, this car had a whole bunch of stuff. It was just starting to fall apart slowly. I drove it around here to the guy who's painting it. Drove it around here to his house. No, I'm lying. I drove it to my apartment and I tried to get a garage for it. But it wouldn't fit, so on the way back, it cut off right on Cheyenne. If you live in Las Vegas, cut off right on Cheyenne. So I had to hurry up and bust that right. If not, I was gonna get totaled out. But it's a wrap. No more. She out of here, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie. It's a sad day, but it's also a good day. Time to go. Got the draw line out. Got the exhaust dropped. Some of the fluid still leaking. What else we got here? The tools, got the hoist. In the factory, like 170 horses. Now we finna up that to like 200-300 more horses. But the rear wheel, I should have like around 330. But between me and y'all, I think we'll put some nitrous on it, a little nitrous kit. Don't tell nobody, I told y'all that though. But yeah, In the middle of taking her out.
And now we didn't take us this long. We went to the store, we took a break. And you see, she came out like it's nothing. Your boy. Paid $10. Ah, another one.